New bowler for Pakistan, Babar Azam.
Yeah, here's their star batsman Babar Azam. He'll open the innings later on. Can also bowl some off spinners. Very rare to see specialist cricketers these days. We saw from Sri Lanka as well. Rajapaksa, their star batsman, their number one batsman, bowling seam up. Here's Pakistan's number one batsman, at least in form in this tournament, bowling some off spinners.
A lot of pressure, isn't it, when your number one player is 15 years of age? They bowl off spin and open the batting and do a good job for his team. Another World Cup to play in yet at under 19 level. At least one.
How the mind is ticking as far as breath weight is concerned. Still quite happy to tick off the singles. The run rate starting to drop. The spinners now will bowl their overs quickly. So before West Indies realize it, 10 overs would be gone, and that run rate still under 3.58 runs per over could become a matter of serious concern. Chance that West Indies seem to be taking at this stage, not worrying too much about the run rate. Oh, he is. This could be out. Another good catch in the deep. And I think West Indies have just stifled themselves up a bit too much, and then suddenly trying to open the floodgates. And it was the new batsman, Yannick Correa, heading back.
Yeah, just not the right ball. He wasn't there at all, Yannick Correa. He just got it high on the bat, didn't get it anywhere near the middle. The ball wasn't a half volley by any stretch, and a very good catch. Very good catch for Hassan Ali in the deep. And Yannick Correa has to go for 9. It was good bowling, just wasn't quite there. And down the wicket and just got it too high on the bat. Catch 2. Then Hassan Ali cover some ground. Babar Azam picked up the wicket. His first. 1 for 3 from 1 over.